A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to Cheshire Cars' latest video of our acquisition. This is a Tango Red Metallic 22 on a 22 plate Audi RS3 hatchback, 5-door automatic of course, with matching Pirelli tyres on these beautiful 19-inch wheels. All the wheels are unmarked, so too the tyres. It's fully serviced by Audi, and we're just about to take it in a week's time to Audi here in Crewe for a second service. That's the service and inspection plus brake fluid change. So you will be receiving the car with 2 keys, a book pack, all the relevant documents, and fully serviced. So it's a beautiful car, 7,307 miles, and really is spectacular. It's been a long time since I've had so many people coming up to me as we were washing it down, telling me just what a beautiful car it is. I've never had so many people. Even the Porsche that we had didn't quite get as many admiring glances and conversations as this car. This is 400 brake horse, 2.5, not to be confused with the S3. The S3 is still a great car, but it's not an RS3. So it's 400 brake horse, has a 0 to 62 time, a claimed time, wait 3.8 seconds. That is supercar territory. That's Porsche and Ferrari territory. What an absolutely bullet of a car. Jason, who came with me to inspect and collect the car from Lancashire last week, said that it's the best car he's ever driven. So there we go. Let's get you straight into the car. So Tango Red Metallic, there's no marks, there's no previous bodywork, there's no damage to any panels. Everything is original, it's factory fresh, it's not been modified, it's absolutely as it was built by Audi. And parking sensors front and rear, and these multi-spoked RS wheels with the RS emblem just there. And then we have also, moving in, the 6-pot pistons, calipers, sorry, not pistons, 6 pistons and a caliper. RS badged in gloss black. Tyres in fantastic condition. They're all Pirellis and all in great condition. No curbing, no damage to the wheels or the tyres. No damage to the windscreen. None to the bodywork. No smells inside the vehicle. No obnoxious smells. Let's just give you a quick glance should I say, inside the vehicle. We have got a montage of images, so if you do want further clarity on the condition, do have a look through I think we've got about 60 images posted within the advertisement of the vehicle. It's available with UK car delivery. We've been doing that for 13 years. We've never yet had to return with a car, so you can buy unseen if you wish, with absolute total confidence. This car's had over 25 man hours, and it was a very clean car to start with, but we lavish the time on the car. It included 4 hours wash down before we even touched it with a polishing machine. It's had a ceramic coating on it, and she absolutely pops. It's a beautiful example. Very rare car in Tango Red. Lots of greens, blacks and greys. I think there's only one other red car for sale. It's the only red they do. I don't think you can specify a one-off colour on this car. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure I am sure. Again, rear wheels unmarked, and we have the RS emblem on the side of the rim. Beautiful rear lights. It's got the intelligent lights on the back, so I think it's an Audi intelligent lighting system. RS3 on the tailgate, and you've got the double exhausts. There's actually 4 tailpipes into 2 outlets. Good sized boot, and all the seats will split. You can have the armrest centre seat down, you can have the 2 sides up, you can have 2 down, 3 down. So a very flexible storage and carrying capacity can be had with this vehicle. It's worth noting that we purchased the car directly from the family. The owner who bought the vehicle as a registered car from Audi Stoke-on-Trent, invoice price £59,000 in 2022. I designed an RS type Audi. Saw this, fell in love with it. Sadly, the gentleman has passed on, and his wife Julia is obviously getting to terms with that, and having to find homes for some of the chap's possessions. So she did register the car in her name, which she didn't need to do, but she just was obviously trying to be completely transparent with the authorities, I guess. So it's two former keepers, husband and wife, in Stoke Audi. I have noted it in the text of the main part of the advertisement. So we'll be bringing it into Audi for its service. I think it's on the 29th of this month. So it's a beautiful, beautiful car, as I say. I keep saying it's beautiful, but it is a beautiful car. It does have the RS emblem onto the pavement, folding heated mirrors, automatic LED headlights, a revised interior, so it's got a large screen. It's got the RS button, which again we've shown you in the images. I'll just turn the sound down a little bit. Just turn it down a slight bit, close the door. Let's just give the door a close. And there we go. So straight away you're hit with the nice display there, and you can change that. And I have it on Apple CarPlay at the moment, but to go back to Audi, we just press that button there. Heated seats, won't be needing those this time of the year, but heated seats. You can sync the climate control. It's all intuitive, so you just touch the home screen, and then you've got the home screen there, and you can go into different positions along on the home screen. Let's go back to Apple CarPlay. We've got the radio on at the moment, digital radio. We do have two key fobs, and it's RS on them. We've got it the right way around, David. Yes, we have. And also we believe, I have got a number to confirm this, but we believe it's got a tracker fitted. So the gentleman had a tracker fitted, and we'll find out about that. We have got a number to ring. I think it's a London number, and we'll just get the lowdown on that, and we'll be able to discuss with the buyer, potential buyer, how you can enact the tracker. It's a subscription service, as most things are like that, but it's not the subscription has expired. So we'll find out how much it is and how you do it, and we'll pass that on, obviously. Beautiful car, these RS seats with the embossed emblem in the just below the headrest, carbon fibre, brushed aluminium. Wonderful, wonderful place to be. Cruise control and speed limiter, multi-function, more functions than you can, I don't know what you would say about that, but this is the RS button here. Just press that and you'll see the screen change. You can probably hear the engine tone has changed as well. It's individual, performance, and back to standard. So that's a unique button that's only available on the RS cars. You have paddle shift as well, down and up shift. Lovely gear selector into drive, and away you go. Just say there, D1 comfort. Touch it again, it's sport. Lifts the revs up, back into drive comfort. And then if you did that, let's see if we have to be moving. I think we might have to be moving, but once the car's moving, then you can use the paddle shift. If you want to put it back into P, you just press there, P for park. It locks it away from the gears. I've got the stop start inactive. We'll turn that off for the purpose of the video. It's 7,302 miles. The vehicle is available as soon as Audi have serviced it, and they'll probably, well, they will give it an inspection as well. So as soon as that is serviced, it will be available for collection, delivery. We don't ask you to, excuse me for just jumping out of the car, we don't ask you to buy the car on scene, so please don't think we are doing. You're welcome to come and see the car here in Crewe in Cheshire. Come and see the car, take a good look over it, ask for all the documents. We have got every piece of paper with the car, including a purchase invoice for £59,000 from Stoke Audi, and decide if it's a car for you. If it is a car for you, you should be able to take it the same day, but we do want to have the service done, but it has a service plan on it, So we're just paying a little bit more for a brake fluid change as well, which was an optional outside of the service plan. So we're having that performed by Crewe Audi on the 29th. So just bear that in mind, please. Any potential inquiries? We have had already a lot of interest in this vehicle, and we don't expect it to be around for too many days or weeks. We've been established since 1996, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. All our reviews are available on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google, so please do take a look at some of our reviews, and we hope to be around for quite a few more years yet. We have a synonymous name with quality of product and experience, and rightly so. We are very proud of our repeat business, and we do a heck of a lot of repeat business and a heck of a lot of being recommendations to vehicle owners to purchase from them directly. If you have a car to sell, please visit our purpose design website at www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk, where myself, David, will get back to you with a bespoke valuation of your vehicle. We do collect vehicles from around the UK, so it doesn't really matter how far away you are from us. We may well still be able to help and collect the car. It certainly can help an easy transaction, and lots and lots of sellers have reviewed us through Google. So again, they're well worth having a look at our Google reviews. Just type in Cheshire Cars to Google and you'll be able to read through a selection, some or all of those reviews. That's all I have to say, I think. Have I mentioned anything else? Let me just think if I've forgotten anything. I don't think so. I'm just thinking, oh yes, it's the Quattro system, four-wheel drive on the RS, but it has a torque vectoring, which makes it even more special and more able to handle all the performance when it's safe and legal to do so. So have a look on Google yourself and Google the RS3. There's some good information online. It's very difficult to get everything into a 10-minute video.